Hi everyone, let's go to one more video in my Diecast channel. Today I'm going to show you this 1968 Dodge Dart. This is made by Highway 61 as a 1:18 scale, and let's unbox it and take a closer look. Before we do so, please subscribe my channel, leave your like below, your comment, and activate the bell for new videos. Let's go on. So, once I have unboxed the car, so I can show some more details a little bit better, I have also removed the clips from the hood so we can take a better look at this car. As we can see, it has no Dart, GT, any sort of badge on it. Just looks like an ordinary 68. It's a very nice car. It's really, I like Dodge Darts a lot. When we take a look at the trunk, we see just the same trunk we see any other Darts. I like those rubber seals that Highway 61 reproduces so well, just like those trims and the taillights, the chrome. Every single detail in this car is very nice, is really very attractive. These blinker lights, both in the rear and in front, are very nice and very typical from the 1968. This car features a black interior, which is a little bit more difficult to show because of color, since even with the light it's too dark. But it's a very nice interior. But as we can see from here and here, we've got a Dart with an automatic transmission and an extra tachometer over the dashboard. All the dashboard gauges, buttons, and knobs are all stock, just like the steering wheel. But we can see that this Dart is slightly different. And when we take a look at the engine, wow! And we have a very nice surprise. What I like so much about Highway 61 cars is the way they reproduce the grills, headlights, the engine components, and the engine compartment as well as the engine. In this case, engineered exhaust manifolds. The intake manifold is also perfect, as well as the carburetor. Valve covers are chrome. Got some different features in here, and all cables and wires, all wiring in this engine is perfect. They've also removed the windshield wipers because this car is basically for drag racing. And when we look at the bottom, we can see that just like in the other Highway 61 cars, as we turn the rear wheels, the drive shaft turns. It features slick tires in the rear. The gas tanks, just like the stock Darts. A spare tire compartment, and the exhausts here are direct from the manifolds. So this must be a pretty noisy car. Front wheels and tires. Tires are a little bit narrower, and the engine, I don't know if it's a 440, a Hemi, or something like it. At a first glance, it looks like a 440. Not quite sure of it, but I know it's quite an engine. Front grille, that's actually a grille. It's not just a piece of plastic, but grille patterns. This is a very nice car. That's what I like so much about Highway 61s, and this is one of the few brands that reproduces Dodge Darts. This car is about 11 inches long. It's a 1:18 scale, and it's a really nice piece to have in a collection. Let's just put the clips back, which is a very nice feature about the Highway 61 cars. They really make actual clips, so we can clip the hood closed and these tiny posts. The only bad news about these clips is they're hard to get off and to put back on. Well, I'm just going to leave here for now. So, thank you for watching the video. For likes and comments, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to leave your like, your comments below, and click the bell for new videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.